get out of here.
Bye, Brandy.
Are you doing a video?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, my voice sounds so weird in here.
Ah!
Oh yes, here. We're all alone now. Oh yes.
Dory.
Look, it says all these people love people and it's so cute.
Jose.
It's so safe.
It's that one chick out the window. You can't really see. It's all bright. This thing takes forever to focus. I need zinc.
Let's think.
That's a mineral that helps you see better.
Emily, there's a crow on top of your head.
There's actually a crow up there. What the heck?
Emily, come here.
No boys allowed. This is our home.
Yeah,
This is
come
me
in
and
here.
Tia.
Get out of here.
This is me and Tia's house.
Get out of here.
This is where we had our third honeymoon.
You had that many honeymoons?
This is our official honeymoon right here. Right now. Oh yes.
Takes forever to focus.